Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A very happy new year to all of you. Hope the new year brings a lot of prosperity, good health, happiness to all of you. So today we are going to be learning another new tangle called Wyfore, issued by Zentangle headquarters recently. So in this series of about 5 to 6 sessions, we are going to learn how to draw the basic tangle and also explore more of the tangle, try different arrangements, try different tangulations. Yeah, but before that, let us learn how to draw the basic tangle Y4. So what I'm going to do is start something like Huggins. The shape is somewhat like Huggins, but Huggins starts with these orbs or seed shapes. This tangle Y4 will start with this curl like this. Yeah, so I'm going to do that on both sides. The shape is somewhat like that of Huggins. This shape, the C shape. Yeah. However, this looks like more like a curled piece of paper, rolled paper, right? So that's the basic of the tangle by 4. So I'll show you once more. Give a nice curl like this. Again on the opposite side, give a nice curl like this. Then you just have to draw straight lines, somewhat straight lines, and join these so that it looks like a rolled piece of paper. And then join the above two. These two heads. Yeah, so that's Y4. Now it's all about arrangement. So if I want, I can draw the next one like this. Yeah, so I make a kind of a heart shape between two, and I can go on continue like that, right? So I make a nice heart shape between two of them, and I can always continue like this. So you can add 3, you can add 4, as many as you wish to, depending on your arrangement. Yeah, so you can always add them in a row. So today we will use this tangle. First we'll just draw the basic tangle the way it is, right, and use it in a simple arrangement, like I'll draw it in a column one over the other. So this is a 5 tile in front of me. Yeah, it's a rectangle tile, and I'm going to start with the tangle Y4 on this tile. Now I'm going to start here, add a nice curl like this, and then just join these like this. Yeah, again I'm going to start here, somewhat keeping the same size. Even if they are not, nothing to worry. You can also diminish the size, it will give a different look. Yeah, so again I'm going to add one more. Take your time. Simple tangle to draw, looks somewhat like a relative of Huggins. Yeah, but you can use it in different ways, interesting ways. So today we are just trying a simple looking arrangement, one over the other. Yeah, and the last one. So it all depends how much curve you add to these lines. You can always add more curve the way you wish to. Yeah, now it is up to you. How do you want to add more things? So I'm going to add a nice V shape here probably. You can add any tangle of your choice. Feel free to decorate it the way you wish to. No hard and fast rules. So what I'm doing here is adding a tangle called brace. Spaces are small, but I think I will be able to manage it in this space. Yeah. So we are going to double line this and then add some more bands like this. So go with whatever spaces you have and whatever best can be done. Yeah, so I'm going to do that throughout. You can also keep changing the tangle whichever way you feel to look better. So I'm just going with Y4 and brace to add to its look. Right? So I'm done with drawing the bands, and now I've started inking the alternate bands just the way we do for the tangle brace. Yeah. So that's how the tangle brace looks like. Although there are many more shapes in fact any shape in which you can draw the same tangle. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Ink alternate bands. It's a drama tangle again. Going by the tangle genus. Tangle with bold inked sections. A drama tangle adds instantly to the look of your tile because of the bold inking involved. So just take your time and slowly, gradually ink the alternate sections. Yeah. So I'm done with that exercise. Now I'm going to just add a border and close my Y4 inside two parallel lines. Right? And if you want, you can add a nice aura, or you can just leave it as it is. I'm going to switch to my O1. I was using my, I'm using my O1 only. I thought I was using my O2. So I'm just going to add a simple tangle called or leak. Right? So just draw some lines, create a mesh. Right, so I'm just drawing lines first in one direction and then I'm going to draw them in the other direction to create a crisscross, a mesh. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, so take your time, do that exercise, give a background to your Y4 like this. So it's better to draw all the lines in one direction first, then move on to the next. Right? Take your time, one stroke at a time. Equal attention to each stroke. Slowly fill up the background with these lines before you draw lines in the other direction. Yeah? So I'm almost finishing drawing my tangle or leak, adding a mesh background to the tile. Yeah? So once we are done with that, now we have this space left. So it is entirely up to you what kind of a tangle do you want to add. I'm going to add a thin aura there. Right? And now you can choose a tangle of your choice. Let's add some nice mukas there. Yeah, a slight variation, and cap it up. Again, going to add one more. A slight variation, something like sprinkle. Again, start probably here. Take your time. Something like this. Again, cap it up. Yeah. So you can just draw simple mukas, or you can draw it this way, whatever you feel like. A small fescue there, an extension. Again, take your time, draw it the way you feel like. Right? So I'm going to continue like this. Yeah. Delicate looking tangle. Nice filler, nice standalone tangle. Yeah. So you can draw it any which ways you want. Anywhere you want. Right? So I will do the same on the other side also, and then we'll see if we want to add something. Probably small moons here and there. Like these. Yeah. Wherever you feel like. So go with whatever is coming to your mind at that point of time. You want to add henna drums, you can do that. You want to add some other tangle, petals, leaves, spoke roots, whatever you feel like. Feel free. Yeah. Yeah, I think we are done. Don't need to add too many. Yeah, a few probably springs, creepers. Right? So I'm going to do the same on the other side also. Give a nice curl, come down, add a nice fescue here, like this. Yeah? So I'm now adding the moons on the other side, drawn the same mukas. Inserting some moons now wherever I feel like. Right? Crescent moon. Take your time. Add as many auras as you feel like, depending on the spaces that you have. Yeah, I think that's enough. We don't need to add more. Yeah, little bit of rounding here and there, some bit of weight is always a good idea. Going back and adding a little ink there wherever I find that space. Right? So let us now shade our tile before we add anything else. So as far as our Y4 is concerned, its look is like a rolled paper or something, right? So it's always a good idea to add graphite here. Yeah, not too much, spaces are small, so you have to restrict. As far as the braze is concerned, you generally add on one side. So you will darken one side, or you can always add under the bands, but here there's not much space that way. So I'm going to just darken one side. Yeah, let's shade this much first. Right, so that's the way we generally shade our Y4. Coming to our border, you can always add some color there if you feel like. Please do that. I'm going to be keeping it simple. Almost adding a graphite background there. Yeah, so if you want, you can do that. If you want, you can shade the mukas independently whichever way you feel like. Adding a little darkness close to the border, like this. Yeah. Again, the same thing on the other side. Right? So I'm almost like giving a gray background. That's about it. A slight touch at the other end, not much. Right? Now if you want, you can embellish a little more, add some black pearls. Like these. Yeah. Use your jelly roll to clear that dot. That's it. We don't need to do anything else. So that's our tile for today. That's Y4 in its simplest form, right? So I'm going to close my tile here, put my chop. Sorry, 2nd of January 23. Yeah, it will take a while to get used to the 23, I think. Yeah. So I'll see you again with a few more sessions on this new tangle. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye, and Happy New Year once again. Bye bye.